Let's just get the car in the lift, yes. What's up guys, welcome to the GC journey. In this video, we're working on the GC. Not entirely sure what we're gonna do, but I have a list of a lot of small jobs. Today, there's a lift available to work on my car, so I thought I'd get as much work done as I can. There's a lot of small things to do. Things like replacing the bulkhead plug, putting the pedal covers on. We'll see what we can knock off in the short time that we have. I'm gonna start with the pedal covers, because I heard they can be a real pain to fit. So we'll start with them, get them out the way, and then we'll carry on to other things. For this job, I will use a bit of lubricants like WD-40 and this pick that I've read online is supposed to make the job bearable. Let's give it a try. Slip it from the bottom towards the top and not see what I'm doing at all. I've heard some people heat these pads up. That can also help. Makes the rubber more flexible. So far, no cooperation. Can't seem to get behind the cover with this pick. I'm gonna have to take this off. It's getting hot. Okay, let's try get in. Maybe this way I can see better. Not really. To be honest, I can't see anything. This is not fun. This is not fun at all. Oh, wait. What? No. Almost. I felt that I managed to get behind the rubber with the pick. Let's try that again. Okay. Sorry. Oh, man. This is frustrating. Does not want to go at all. I can tell you now, I'm not enjoying myself. Not enjoying myself at all. Can't seem to get out. I just keep poking myself with the pick, and with every poke, I get a little less happy. My mood is not improving. Why is it so difficult? Maybe if I could see what I'm doing, that could make things easier. And people do install these. I mean, I'm not the first one. Why is it so difficult? No, can't do it. This is too annoying. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let this one go for now. Because this is taking too much time. I can't seem to get it on. Yeah, like punctured through multiple times. Okay, after failing miserably, I'll have my friend Lotan do the pedal covers for me. What I'm gonna do now is switch out the Morette headlights with the OEM headlights because I wanna take the black masks to be paint matched to the color of the car. Still undecided. I don't know if I wanna keep the Morettes or not. I wanna see them on the car in blue, and then it'll be easier for me to decide. I really haven't made my mind up yet. So I'll quickly swap between the headlights and we'll move on from there, because that I know I can do. Something I forgot to film was emptying the catch cans. They were, like, after 2 track days, and I don't know how many months these have been installed, they started like overflowing. This whole area was full of oil, and when I opened them, they were completely full. So don't do the mistake I made. Empty your catch can, kids. Okay, now that swapped out the headlights, I will replace the bulkhead plug with a used one that I just found, literally found here on the floor. Better shape than the one I have on the car. While I did the headlights, Lotan did the pedal covers inside, thank God. So now I'll move on to the bulkhead plug. As you can see, not in very good shape. But look what we have here. Okay. think that's in. Wasn't too bad. Much better. Okay, that's the bulkhead plug done 10 times better. Looks 10 times better. Okay, so we've done the headlights, we've done the bulkhead plug. Lotan did the pedal covers. I will now move on to doing the left-hand side splash guard. The reason I didn't refit it was because I was planning, I still am planning, to do a fuse box relocation, fuse box delete. I thought I'd wait till after I do the relocation, then I'll fit the splash guard back. It got postponed more and more, and so now there's a new plan for the fuse box delete. It's gonna take a little while for that to happen, so while I'm waiting, I'll put the splash guard back in and we'll remove it when we go to relocate the fuse box. By the way, someone mentioned in the comments that the tires on the right-hand side are in the wrong direction. They were fitted the wrong way around. But if you look at the rotation angle, then no, it's fitted as it should be. So tires are fitted properly. No worries. Left-hand side splash guard is in. Just used an assortment of clips that I found laying around. I apologize, but not all were OEM clips from Fuji Heavy Industries. Okay, so I've run out of time. I can't say that enough progress was made for an entire episode. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be back here during the week. I'll finish all the small things that I wanted to, and that'll be enough for one episode. And we are back. New day, new camera, new haircut. So what I'm going to be doing now is installing this Prosport dead pedal. Is it in focus? How do you work with these? I'm sorry, I'm still learning this new camera. So Prosport make this dead pedal, which really completes the look of the pedal set. So as you can see, the factory footrest has one hole that I can utilize for the dead pedal, and I'll just have to drill somewhere here, one more, and then we should be good to go. Dead pedal has been fitted, not too bad of a job. As you saw, I didn't utilize one of the existing holes. I preferred to leave it for the footrest. Just drilled out 2 new holes, did those inserts. Next job on the agenda is this driver side carpet holder. Here is the driver side carpet holder. I got this off eBay or Amazon, costs a few bucks, can't remember. It's just my original plastic carpet holder in the GC. Came out the floor, and so the floor mats keep slipping. There's this little groove for putting a O-ring over it that was supplied with this holder. So let's go put this in and we'll move on from there. trying to install this radiator cover. For some reason, one side is in, the radiator is interfering on one side, and on the other, the bolt hole doesn't even line up properly. So this will need modifications. I don't know why this is the case, that one hole is in place and the other one isn't. Although I think it looks really, really good, but we can't use it, so we're saying goodbye. Dead pedal is in, floor mat holder is in, Rallytech cover for the radiator will not fit without modifying, so I'll either have to modify it and then powder coat it again, or I'll just ditch it altogether and not bother. We'll see, because it does look very good in the engine bay. I don't know if I want to powder coat it again. We'll see. So now the Morette covers have returned from paint, and now that they are color coded to the car, let's slap them on and see what they look like. Okay, I'm out of the garage. It was very noisy, terrible lighting. I wanted to get some slow motion footage of the Morette headlights for you. In the garage there's like this flickery effect which looks terrible because of the lighting there, and so I thought I'd get out and get you some nice slow motion footage in the natural daylight. Looking at the Morette headlights, I can tell you that, first of all, doesn't matter if you're a Morette fan or not, seeing freshly painted parts always looks good. You know, but other than that, I'm very happy with the way they look. It's exactly the look I was going for. When they were black, it was the look was a bit loud for me. I would say it was drawing a little more attention than I would have liked. And with the OEM headlights, the car looked, you know, stock. But now with the Morette headlights, it gives that a little bit of aggressiveness to the look that makes you curious, makes you look at the car and think, that's not a stock car, is it? I'm very, very happy with the final result of the Morette headlights. Now seeing the bonnet and headlights that have been freshly painted kind of makes the front bumper and fenders look a bit sad because their paint is like completely faded, and I think there is a need to take the car into body and paint. I'm also thinking white STI decals on the fog light covers. Let me know if you're into it or not. I'm kind of bummed about the Rallytech cover, to be honest, but overall, pretty happy with the progress that we made today. So that's all for this one. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one.